Hello, guys. I would like to present the next step in our journey, Automated Testing Unleashed Web Automated Testing Volume 2. This is Volume 2 out of 5. In this book, we explore the world of Selenium WebDriver, from foundational knowledge to the advanced techniques. This volume ensures you understand the full scope of web test automation, whether it's executing JavaScript, managing cookies, leveraging the Actions API for more advanced interactions. It's all here for you. One of the highlights, the in-depth discussion of Selenium's 4 groundbreaking features, including the integration with CDP Chrome Developer Tools and bidirectional APIs. We discuss many different examples that are even not part in the official documentation. But there is more just than Selenium. The book sheds light on a multitude of WebDriver-based tools. This is maybe one of the most interesting parts, where I will teach you how to make bots, how to write them. I will present one that is playing different songs on a piano, one getting the big prize in the online game Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, one that draws charts on a canvas based on Bitcoin prices and many others. And for those intrigued by unique testing methods, we dive into the modern approaches like layout, style, and responsive tests. We'll investigate some more complex code snippets, implementing fluent builder design pattern, and more. A crucial part of this volume focuses on defining what makes high-quality tests. Additionally, it introduces the solid principles foundation for every test engineer and demystifies technical terms that often cause confusion. In a nutshell, Web Automated Test Volume 2 is an essential guide for those ready to elevate their skills in Selenium WebDriver and the broader web test automation field. Crafted with expertise, yet explained with simplicity, this book is your next step towards mastering the art of web automated testing.